In front of me is Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by holding your device's display and selecting this gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now select More. Scroll down just a bit and click on Icon Size. Lastly, swipe left or right in order to adjust them. Check out Preview above, and when you're done, tap on Home button. Then tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!